Alrighty guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to be talking to you all about the H&H Pets Pro Dog slash, I guess, cat finger toothbrush. This thing is awesome. You know, our old dog had lots of dental health problems. His teeth were just really bad, and it got to a point where there was really nothing we could do. We have a new dog now. We've had him for quite a bit, and so it's been very much a priority for us to be able to keep his teeth nice and clean, keep his mouth healthy, you know, and yeah, just overall prolong his life of dental health, I guess you could say. So that's why we got these. They're really, really solid. They come obviously in a pack of 8, so you get 8 of them. They're all separated, which is nice. You can use them more than once as well, as long as you continue to clean them. And so really once you buy a pack of these, I mean, you have, you know, you have them for quite a while. It's not like a one and done sort of thing, which is really nice. I think you can also buy smaller packs as well, but I bought the 8 pack. It seemed like the best bet. They are made out of a really kind of like soft silicone material. They do say they are FDA grade on the back. So, you know, it's great that they're safe to use for your pets as well. You have these bristles that are up near the top. So basically this is kind of how it works. You put it on your finger like this. It can go on any finger. I think it's like I don't know what the diameter is on here, but I mean, I have like some pretty standard these male fingers. They're, you know, not huge, but also not tiny. They fit really well. I would say it gets a little tight on my middle finger, but you know, you'd want to use it with your finger with enough dexterity. You have these really tiny bristles on top. They are also made out of the same, I feel like, silicone material, except they are much smaller. Great thing about them being silicone and not regular bristles, because, you know, regular bristles are just weaker. And regular bristles, when I say that, I mean the ones that are on normal toothbrushes. They're far weaker, and your dog's teeth are a lot sharper, and so having bristles like that, they're eventually going to wear down, and they're not going to last a long time. Having bristles like these just makes it so, you know, they can withstand the sharpness of your dog's teeth and also still be able to get in there. They have a really nice kind of curved, as you can see, profile. It moves around the edge of the toothbrush. It kind of helps with getting into harder to reach spots. It may not look like it would be kind of difficult to do, but if you have a smaller dog or just a dog who does not like to get their teeth brushed, which most dogs don't, then you have to really kind of like figure out how to get in there and get especially like the harder to reach teeth. And so the fact that it's a little bit curved on the ends just makes that slightly easier to do than if it were something that was, you know, really straight. I've now used these maybe 2 or 3 times. I can't say that I've, I don't know, maybe noticed a significant difference, because we've been using these since we got him. But I can also say for certain that his teeth look great. They look as great as the day we got him. They still look very much like newborn puppy teeth. You know, not tiny, but like very, very white, very, very crisp and clean. And his mouth just is super healthy looking, which I think is very, very important. I also do like that, you know, they are one piece. I think it just makes them much safer in the case that, you know, your dog accidentally gets them in his or her mouth. You know, it makes it a little harder to like swallow. I like that they're made of this soft material. I think it's just much easier trying to go into your dog's mouth than trying to go in with a regular toothbrush, which could, you know, possibly poke at them or just hurt them, and I think it's just a better move. It's really solid. I would highly recommend these to anyone who needs to just kind of make sure their pet's teeth are up to par. So yeah, anyway, these are the H&H Pets finger toothbrushes, and definitely check them out. They also have good little directions on the back as well, so you can, you know, it's pretty simple. It's very user friendly. Yeah, these are awesome. Alrighty guys, take it easy.